Good morning, everybody. It's John from the Tar Heel Classic, and we are at hotspot number 3, 200 miles, Sardis, South Carolina. And we got a beautiful, clear day. Hopefully, the winds that are predicted are supposed to be calm starting off, and then of a northerly nature, and then but only supposed to be like 1 to 3, and then going up to 10 mile an hour at home. So it's kind of hopefully it's a nice working race, and we'll see how things transpire. But I'll put you on hold, and we're going to release the birds at 6:50. All right, I'm back. I'm going to let them go. All right. Get bugs out of that one. All right, let's see. All right, they're gone off behind the trees, and that's it. Good luck, everybody.